How to fix AirPods battery life. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix AirPods battery life. So let's begin. So the recommended usage of AirPods is that you don't have to wait for the low battery sound or notification. So once you feel like you have used your AirPods for a long time already, make sure to return it to the charging case. So you may also check the battery percentage of your AirPods with the use of your iPhone. So make sure to check the videos that we have as well on this channel. And then if you can see that the percentage of the battery of your AirPod is about 20. So make sure to return it to the charging case, and as well as if your charging case is on 20 or below, then you should also charge your AirPods. So make sure to charge it from time to time because once you drain the battery of your AirPods as well as the battery of your charging case, then that is very deadly to the battery of both your charging case and your AirPods. And then one factor as well that affects your battery life is due to the old age or to the usage of your AirPods. So if your AirPods was bought already for a year or two, then that means that your battery life will constantly decrease. So you should ask for the assistance of the Apple service, or you may also go to the nearest Apple or Mac Center and ask regarding the battery life of your AirPods. And then if they would tell you to have a repair, then do as well. Or if you want a new AirPod, then do also um, buy if you want to and if you need to. Then that's it. That's how you can fix AirPods battery life. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.